Have you ever used your flat top griddle, turned it off, walked away, came back a week or two later and forgot, oh man, I forgot to clean it? I cooked sliders on this for Super Bowl Sunday, which was, I guess, 12 days ago, and I haven't cleaned it. I turned on the heat, turn off the heat. Let me show you the tools that I got. I got some gloves on. I've got a putty scraper. These things are magic when it comes to cleaning a flat top griddle. Got a long pair of tongs. I got some vinegar water, and I got some oil, and I got an old rag. So I'm gonna use a little vinegar water. Now in this little trough right here, I want to get all this stuff out of here because this is old grease. And so I just take a paper towel and I just try to scoot it down all the way so it'll come out this little hole. Put a little more vinegar water, your long tongs, a paper towel, run it along the sides again, the inside edges, along the middle. Flat top is about clean. There you go, a little bit of dirt, not much at all. Then I got a paper towel and I'm gonna wipe the inside edges to remove any excess grease or dirt. Next step, we're gonna fire it back up. Turn all these to low. Put a light coat of oil. Just gonna wipe that in really good. Gonna let that burn off. And you wanna ensure that you get inside parts of the griddle, the little top rails, and on the outside to prevent rust. I cooked the oil for 7 to 8 minutes. Now it's time to turn it off. We're gonna cover it. Now here's all the drippings, and what you do is you just simply wad that up, throw it away, put a new piece of foil in that drip pan. Now just putting a lid on it, and that's my wife over there saying hi.